I'm at the Dollar Tree. Not only am I going to get some dollar makeup, but I want to show you some other stuff that I actually already get. In the little craft section are some gemstones, all kinds of colors. They're the self-adhesive. I got some of these. These are extra sassy. Some feathers. Ooh, what's that about? There's got to be something that could be used for. And I think I have everything I need. Some primer on my eyes right here, my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild pencil to fill in create my brows. Do not be alarmed. I do this so I can get them even on both sides. It's not bad, not bad. I really like that this concealer has like it's like its own brush with it. If you have a thick layer, then it's not going to set pretty. It needs to be like just a thin layer. I'm going to use the little applicator that it came with. We dabble it on. Want your darker color, you want that on the outside of your eye. And you can always take away, you can always add. Nothing is permanent. Cover them hoods, the makeup creasing. I'm not liking it. Well, we're going to trust the process. Lightly sweep that gold into the black. And the idea is to make it merge together like you can't tell where one ends and one begins. Darken up those edges again. White right here to make the inside of your eyes pop. And get it on my waterline. I like to blow it off first because I try not to get anything in my eyes. Got a little bit of the white right here on the inside. Kind of everything, you want to keep it brighter. You want it to look larger, more opened up. If it's not even up top, you can always take a Q-tip and just slightly, like you're using a brush, you just brush. Look at that. So satisfying. I want everything to flow upwards. And darken up this little part right here too. I'm not going to be putting any eyeliner on just because I don't want to. I'm scared. Okay. Do not laugh at me. So this is face primer, which is what I use face primer all the time. Right? All the time. No problem. Why in the hell is it so white? What kind of freaking face primer is going on here? Did I do too much? Like, is this okay? Clear minimizes pores. It is not clear. Unless it dries clear. It's gotta dry clear. I'm sure it's fine. Trust the process. Oh, I think it's gonna dry clear. I try not to put the product, which I did, directly under my eyes so it doesn't crease up and give me my wrinkles go poof. Tip there. Okay, it did not dry clear. It has like a very pasty look to it. Using the matte LA Colors liquid foundation. I already put it on this side, but not this side. I can't tell. Here's the foundation. But really, it's just kind of a mess. Why does it look like that? So I'm going to use the pressed powder. Eyeshadow, not bad, but the face, I don't see any benefit there. For my contour, I got a bronzer. LA Colors bronzer here. After the face primer, it really did me in. Oh my gosh, look at there. None of this set's pretty. Side note, you know what else I noticed about these products? But there was no little plastic clear thing that lets me know that nobody else has opened this. Here's some Wet n Wild. I like Wet n Wild. They didn't have any other color contour though. That's all that I could find. You know what? I was really excited about trying it though, and you know what? At least I did. Shadow, alright. But all this face stuff, no. But I've never been so ready to take my makeup off as I am right now. My takeaway, as if you guys didn't hear my opinion the whole way through, right? I'm not completely disappointed with this area, but that face stuff, y'all, that face stuff. They wouldn't do this if you had setting spray. That told me all I need to know.